What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over Dent. Nice little breakout today, up almost 13%. Sitting in a market cap of 600 million, 24-hour volume, 97.59 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we'll start here. Actually, I want to start on the 1 hour time frame. Had our bullish divergence here, creating lower lows, higher lows on the RSI. Many bullish divergences today across the market, and we broke out. We saw some nice volume here. Now, Dent did come all the way up to about 89.90 on the RSI, so we got quite overbought, and we're seeing a little bit of pullback here, but there's a larger pattern at play on the 4 hour chart, guys. Inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder. Oh my God, that's really ugly. Head, right shoulder, guys. So we can drop in our neckline. There's also another pattern on the daily that I'm going to show you guys as well. So if we come up and break, it's not the prettiest head and shoulders. It's a bit lopsided here, but basically your level of resistance that you need to come up and break is up at about 0.0073 for Dent. Currently, we're just back above the 0.5 on the fib here. So we can measure our breakout from the bottom of the pattern all the way up to the neckline here and measure it from our breakout point, and could bring Dent all the way back above the golden ratio, all the way up here to about 0.0099 for Dent. So do keep an eye on that. If we look at Dent here on the daily, it's looking really healthy on the daily. We have a bit of a falling wedge. We've broken out. So your target is the top of the wedge here, which is up at about 0.0069 for Dent. We've had the bullish cross on the daily, very strong sign of continuation. As you can see here, we had the bullish cross. We had a nice pump. If we go back to our last bullish cross, let's just open this up. Our last bullish cross for Dent, all the way down here back in January, guys, and then Dent absolutely exploded for a 10,000% gain, guys. So we've just printed the bullish cross on the daily, which could be a very strong sign for continuation here for Dent. Now, there is something we have to keep an eye on, and that's Bitcoin, as I've been covering our bearish divergence here. If we lose the EMAs, that's when we can come back down to 54K, and we would create a double top. So we would need to hold the support of the 20, break this level of resistance, come up to this target and break 60K if we're going to see continuation, but we are having that bearish divergence as I've been covering here on the channel. So that's basically it for Dent. Couple patterns to watch. You have your falling wedge. It's broken out. We're beautifully holding the EMAs here on the daily. And then you have this inverse head and shoulders. The target is all the way up at 0.0099. Now, if we do roll over here, if Bitcoin rolls, guys, and we come back down to 54K, or if we break that double top pattern, this is your strong level support here for Dent, back down at 0.0043. And then you have quite a bit of support in this area. Let me drop in a little line here, right around, see there's some resistance in this area as well for Dent, right around 0.0038. That's basically it, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Smash that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.